Hola, namaste, hello everyone. Today, let's master the Spanish letter X with the 10 most useful words, all with the case sound. Repeat after me for perfect pronunciation. Let's get started.
Examen. Taxi. Texto. Éxito. Oxígeno. Experiencia. Experto. Máximo. Exacto. Conexión.
And that wraps up our Spanish alphabet letter X challenge with 10 powerful Spanish words. Remember, practicing real-life vocabulary and pronunciation is the key to speaking confidently. For deeper learning in every Spanish letter, with examples and regional sounds, explore our full Spanish alphabet series, episodes 1 to 10. Like, share, and comment your favorite word below. See you tomorrow.